Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what banks and credit unions Flinks supports. Flinks is a major financial data platform that connects to a vast network of financial institutions across North America and also has some coverage in Europe. It's important to understand that Flinks coverage is very broad and constantly expanding, so providing a complete, static list of every supported bank and credit union is practically impossible and changes frequently. However, Flinks states that its network includes connectivity to over 15,000 financial institutions in North America, including major banks, regional banks, and credit unions. This extensive coverage allows their clients, which include fintechs, lenders, and other financial institutions, to access financial data for a wide range of customers. In Canada, Flinks has strong coverage, including connections to the Big Five banks, Royal Bank of Canada, RBC, Toronto-Dominion Bank, TD, Bank of Nova Scotia, Scotiabank, Bank of Montreal, BMO, and Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, CIBC, along with many credit unions and digital banks like Tangerine and Simplii Financial. In the United States, their network extends across thousands of institutions, including large national banks and a massive number of smaller banks and credit unions. For a specific, up-to-date institution, the best way to verify is to check Flinks' official documentation or contact them directly, as their connection network is dynamic. The key takeaway is that Flinks offers comprehensive coverage, enabling access to data from the overwhelming majority of banks and credit unions in North America. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.